ते अडकाला कुठं ठेवलेलं आहे हे म्हणताय चंदन
You have 40% of battery backup left.
इथं असंच असतो का दूर? इथं दूरच असतो का? इथं म्हणजे दूरच असतो का? दूरच असतो.
तरी 2 बसनी बस आहे इकडे धुरा.
हां. नाही नाही तिकडे माझ्या गाडीवर सोडलं त्याला. हां कानेटिकला नाही सुमेशला. त्यानंतर तो कानेटिकला जाणार होता मग कसा गेला काय माहिती. हो तू येशील चालेल का तुला अरे
घालून तो काय
वेळ झालं कॅन्डलची क्लोज झाली वी शुड टेक दिस स्ट्रेट
सिनियर काहीतरी करा झालं सरांनी सिनियर कर म्हणे करून टाक सिनियर कुठे सिनियर 1 वर्ष झाले 1.5 वर्ष झाले त्याला काय होतं म्हणे ज्युनियर मी ॲप्लिकेशनमध्ये ज्युनियर दिलं आधी ट्रेनिंग सर हे जे ओढलं सिनियर गेलं तिथं मी जाऊ काय डेप्युटी घ्या ना घ्या काय लागत
He is a fucking spray right here.
Secondary manager, me deputy.
So this is literally is it. Our stop loss is going to be this, and our take profit is going to be this. I want to see. We took this trade based on the new updated strategy, and this is crazy. I think it's crazy. And look at what I'm doing. I'm doing the lunch.
एडिट तर सगळं करता येतं
So
एडिट तर सगळं करता येतं
every single thing what you want, we got.
एडिट नाही त्याच्यामुळं एडिट काय तर पेमेंट स्लिपपर्यंत आहे बाकी कुठं काय आपण पेमेंट कुठंच एडिट नाही करायचं प्रामाणिकपणे जायचं प्रामाणिकपणे द्या
I will update to my community. This trade works now, brother.
कारण ते आपलं बिघडत नाही
We are golden. I risked $20 in this trade.
त्यांना घ्यायचं
So we started our $20 to $8,000. We're going to grow our $20 to $8,000.
फिजून नाही घेतलं का तिथून जेवढे गेले चांगले नाही घेतले हा राव कंपनी चांगली घेतली
Done.
फ्रॉड करून लागले हॅलो राव सगळे असं का मी ते स्कॅन केला
वरिष्ठ लगावा के रेट रह जा पहला उनका काम वरिष्ठ लगा पैसा खुल रहा है हमारा आदमी ले लिया मैं भी अपना जो कुप्पा है ना उसमें अपने पास लगेगा सारा अपना माल दिलवाऊँ ऐसे बोलेगा हाँ तो जैसे आपकी बात मैंने तो किया था इसको अभी मैं ले लेता हूँ पर अपना मैं उसको डाल लेता हूँ उनको पर अपना मेरा काम नहीं बोल लेता वही कल कपड़ा मिला के डाल दिया फिर मुझे सब नहीं डालेगा आप बोल दो कपड़ा में रखते सब जो होता हमारा बहुत भाई क्या काम है जो सगरवा समझाओ सिस्टम को खा कर लेंगे सगरवा वाली सौ को मार घर एक तो बना कर बोली कर रहा हो एकदम बढ़िया है कम है मैं तो कोशिश कर रही हूँ सब इसकी तक खा लेते हैं ना बहुत आप है खा लेते ये अमृत भारत कल की खाली है मारे गाली ना गाली कर लो आप गाली Oh, como ya. Yo कमा लेने के तरह समझ नहीं आता अरे ठीक है ऐसा काम है भगवा जो गंगा माटी का बना सबसे बढ़िया हाँ बंदा दूसरी के बाद अरे यार बोलेंगे ना करना मुझे बिल बस सफाई कर सफाई करो के Batunya. Apa kau bola? Naik, batu bola. ये करना उपाय होते जाना उमारी कमरी के बाद तो कहाँ से अपडेट है वो अपन उपाय के बाद कमरी के बाद हम क्या करें जब वो रेडी बात उन्हें वाला और तो बांगों वाला जो रोल पर तो उठा के लेके वो काम है या वगैरह लेके देते हैं बाकी जो है तो मेरा और बाकी मेरे तो पत्ता है लाइन से रख दिया और उसके अंदर इसके बाद और एक बार भाव तक का पेपर लिखने में काम करते हो कुछ हो जाए भला भला मेरा तो लेके मतलब ये लेके चाहिए भला भला मेरा डरवा मेरे भेज देना तो ठीक है आप लोग इसके आवा हरिया नहीं तो गाड़िया में घुस जाए हो गया अंदर देखना दारू में कोको कोला डाल के कीड़ा डाल के पिए लगा थोड़ा लग रहा थोड़ा बढ़िया थोड़ा स्प्राइट बहुत बेकार है स्प्राइट हम ना पिए जरा और बंदी वाला आदमी वाला दारू पिए वाला ना ब्रांड पिए वाला ना उनको पीछे काट के पिए पानी डाल के सब बोला पिए ना पानी में डाल के पिए ना करेगा जरेगा क्या मालूम जरेगा ना करे बढ़िया से जरेगा थोड़ा करेगा तो पता ना चले मीठा डाल जाएगा हाथ में तो बुद्धि रहेगा ना साला मार देगा ऊपर फर्क ना पड़ेगा ना बनाता होला होता ना लेकिन जब पानी चढ़ेगा ना ऐसे करेगा ना क्या मारेगा मारेगा तो मिल डोरा डाल के पिया ना सब दूर में पिए वही बनाए भी बनाओ हुआ एक पिया में रहला ना जीरा वाला आवा आएगा जीरा थोड़ा बता बचत भाई एकदम बचला हमारा ऐसा बड़ा बढ़िया बढ़िया लाओ जैसे क्या बोले मेरा खाओ चल बोले रउआ की कपड़ा कितना बाल समझे आए उतनी लेट आई कि पहले आई वो गारंटी रहता था ना वो आवेला वो गारंटी ना उनका दोनों लड़का पिए चाहे ना पिए ना खाली हमला बोलते पिए ना गलत पहले सब तरह की दुनिया में लेकिन जो बात तो बोले को बोल रहे हो ना तो लड़के हो ना सब बोल रहे हैं देखिए ना रेंज तो खाली रास्ते आते हैं वो लोग घर वाले चलिए तो ऐसे हो बच जाएगा ये लड़का आई ना कई बार ऊपर बढ़ गया तो झगड़ा हो गई वो ही चक्कर ऊपर यही सही है हाँ उसके ना क्यों वो कितने देखा वो बहुत खराब निकली का है क्योंकि रिलेशन करेगा ऊपर से लो इतना आएगा हम पहले वाला कंसेप्ट है खाना के लड़की हो जाती है ना हमको तो बतिया बताओ देखो ऊपर सोफा था ना कहना हुआ कि जैसे पहले दो बनवा ना तो वो लड़की है आज हो ही ना तो वो सही कर ना सब लोग ऐसे हो भगवान ने लड़का लड़की हाँ भी होगा लेकिन सबका जो और लोगन होगा ना लड़की बोले हम तो बनाए अच्छा कर ले उसको वो तो बेकार है ये सारे वाला का जरूरी
पाप मिलेगा भरे के पड़ेगा जैसे कैला होकर लगा दिया तो उसका बुजुर्ग में ना भरवा तो हो फूका ओके पाप ना बोला जाला
अब पाप के सारे जो है तो के हम होते हैं
डिस्ट्रिक्ट बोलते हैं
क्या कर लो इसी को और लोग करवा रहा करना आओ तो बहुत करवा ना अगर बात लिया गुजरात जीवन समझा तो आया करने तो काट जरूर एक दो दिन पहले करते ना अगर बात नहीं करोगे हम तो खटाई खा कर रखो खाए बड़ा खड़ा होगा परिया उठेगा पर तीन दिन करवा मत पानी दिया ना अच्छा बात है जो पूरी साथ लगा लगा है तो बंदी पैसे ना रहा है संगे तो लगा और बंदी दिखा कर आओ ना आगे तो बंदा बजाय सेवा के चलो को देखिए पूरी बस कैसे हो गए पर नहीं था बस ना बताओ तो उससे मारे नहीं से बात है आगे आपको गलती आती है आपको तो जब अच्छी बड़ी करो खा के आ रखो हमारे साथ गलती काम करो मैं नहीं करूँगा अरे तुमको करा ना किसी का तुमको पाप नहीं करना इसका दिल करता है ना तुम्हारा मर्जी से बात है ना इसका दिल जो दिखाया है वही तुमको पाप है यही बात मैं यही दिमाग रखता हूँ कभी भी लड़की करो कर दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है दान बाहर करना यार क्या मतलब लड़ काटा होगा पूरी निर्भर जल्दी करना सही है
Three, two, one. Let's start with this. Yeah, I was listening to Andrew Tate. Man, this job has took my stop loss. Because just because of I was in job, I won't be able to saw that I was selling to a downside, and I just took the trade which is at the lowest point, and I missed it, and I decided not to take the trade which is at a beautiful point, and I missed the trade which I took, which is on the lowest side. We should not sell on the bottom, which I did sell, and I hit the stop loss. And the trade which I have not taken, that hit the take profit. Sucks. Which was at the station was 12:30 to 1:30. So now we are getting ready. We are going to do the analysis of the market for 5:30 session, 5:30 hour session. So let's do it. This is not interested. Euro USD. Euro USD 1 hour bullish. 30-minute time frame is bullish right there. Nah, I'm not interested. Yeah, this looks good. 1 hour got bullish. Wait, before we do anything, let me check. 30-minute time frame is bearish. Is it? Yeah, it's bearish. Not even making sense. Yeah. So what the? I have predicted. I missed this. Like, oh my god, 30 minute was not even bullish. Oh my god, 5 minute. Yeah, yeah. It was bullish, so we have to miss it. Hmm, is it good? 1 hour bullish. Um, Not liking it. NZJPY creating a new high. Once it creates, will not looking for taking any trade in that. GBP AUD waiting for a tracement. Euro JPY waiting for the break or a break. Euro GBP, yeah, this looks solid. So we got bearish. I was looking the market at 10 exactly at this candle, and I was like, we should be not taking this trade, and we missed this. But well, in fact, doesn't looks good. Will not talk. I am doing it fast because only 20 minutes are like 10 minutes are there remaining. So I just wanted to shortlist the trades. Uh, Once that is done, then we can talk. This looking good for counter trade. Yeah, this is a trade which I missed. Beautiful. We got a break retest doji. I fucked up with the other trade. Um, is this looking good? Weekly looks like closing under. We can take the sell trade, but it's just not making sense. Sorry, no. USJPY. Wait a minute. I have saw this pattern earlier only. This looks solid. We coming breaking under. Um, I want to see my tools. Yeah, tools came out. PM. Okay, this is the thing where it is. There's a bunch of tool I need to reduce it. This is the one of the area of interest. Once it close like this, daily time. Mm, it looks good on the lower time frame. I mean, it looks good on the higher time frame, but on the lower time frame, it doesn't look good. I know it is going to go down. It's going to create a red candle over there. I know this. I know this. But the only thing I'm just not liking that we are in a sideways zone. Maybe if we get closer under this, I need that closer under that. Once that is done, we're good. This is crazy, yeah. This is fucking crazy, yeah. This is literally a crazy thing. Um, Bearish. I don't know, yeah. So sorry once it close. But the only thing is two candles are coming in the middle of the road. Like whenever we are above we buy, above we buy, above we buy, above we buy. Go away. Euro cat. What the? I didn't. Now it's clear. Yeah, EuroCAD looks good to me. Let's do it fast. This is looking good. This is looking good. This is looking good. Is it? The 5 minute will get bearish once it come to the area of interest. That is the con right here, which this is the area of interest on the 1 hour time frame. Area of interest on the 30 minute is bearish. 30 minute is bullish. 30 minute is bullish. Okay, so 15th minute. Yeah, this looks solid. This literally looks solid. Let's consider this. But only issue is a 5 minute will get bearish, but then we have to wait for bullish. Okay, there is a little bit working over here. All right, 1 hour higher. Man, we missed that trade. Yeah, we would end up flip grow our $20 to $60 easily. Yeah, just that mistake. I took this took the sell trade at the lowest point in the move. That is a regret like anything. But don't worry, I'm just not taking the trade just because of I I'm in regret. Absolutely not. That's a beginner trader do. I'm a professional trader. Even though I'm in regret, that doesn't even makes that doesn't even make any decision on my trading. I have to follow the rules regardless of how frustrated I am. 15 minute is higher low. Okay. So just wanted to make it more good. Okay. No, not okay. Hold on. The area of interest. Okay, this is it. This is this. This is this. This looks solid. Alright, but just this one last confirmation. This is the higher high. 30 minutes. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. We created a corner. I just wanted to figure out the proper area of interest. We need to find it. Which I believe the proper area of interest will be this. But the matter of fact, if I just take that down, then the 1 hour 30-minute time frame, this area of interest will not even make sense. So we need to regain that and just want the trade to make sense. If that trade makes sense, it makes sense. Alright, it's having a retracement towards our area of interest, which is what is going to make 5 minutes to go bearish. But once 5 minutes got bearish, then we'll need to wait for 5 minutes to go bullish. Once 5 minutes got bullish, then we will be taking the trade. Once retracement and engulfing happen, then we'll take the trade. So we need to type it. I like this trade. I really like this trade. Alright, so weekly time frame is bullish. I'm considering 1 hour time frame as a weekly time frame. Daily time frame is also bullish. 4 hours time frame, 4 hours is equals to 15-minute time frame is also bullish. 80 is 30. We are waiting for retrace to area of interest, and the second thing is 5 minutes to go bullish. Then we wait for break and retest and engulfing on 5 minutes. We're looking for buy. I'm not gonna lie. The text size, can we pump it down? Yeah, perfect. Alright, Eurocat, I like it. I really like it, Eurocat. This is GBP and it's bullshit. Oh my god. We got DD. Why you did this? Why you fucking did this with me? 5 minutes. Why you even did this with me, huh? 16. Okay. My ears are like big. Oh my god, my ears. My that thing just comes up till here. Because I was surrounded with so big machines. Shit, yeah, shit happened. See, we are selling at the lowest point of the move. It shouldn't be. I must be selling. Look at this, like how in the world I have took the decision to do this. Just because of that, the such type of liquidity grab things happens. Crazy guy. Uh, should be typing it over here. Look for only buys. We are at the lowest point, and I should be understanding this. How in the world I this didn't even saw this coming? Bullshit. AUD USD, can we have the counter trend trade? Well, no. This is the higher low. I will update all of this. Just wanted to like shortlist the trades which we can have it. Not interested. CHJPY. No, absolutely not. Euro NZD. Well, looks good. Uh, it looks good. Oh my god, it looks good for the next 1 hour session. So pretty much we're going to take. How in the world? Who message? What? Sandesh. I thought my friend messaged me. Ah, shit happened. How I got so happy, but it doesn't work like this. Okay, we were doing again the same mistake. Look at where are we? Thank God I pressed the button. Like wow. Look at where are we?
You have 60% of battery backup left.
We are at the lowest point in the move. Shouldn't be buying. Sorry, we shouldn't be selling. We should always be looking for buying. So I am also going to go with this lower high, lower. I'm going to type it over here that I'm not looking for sell. I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to buy. Let me pump up the text. Looking to buy. Looking to buy. Only. Looking to buy. Bearish. 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 We can. I need to keep this update so that the next time we will be coming to the market, we'll be knowing exactly what is going on. AUD okay. It is going to create a doji or need a candlestick. This is also looking good for the next 1 hour. AUD does looks good, a lot good, like a lot good. So this is the 1 hour higher high. This is the 1 hour higher low, 31. Okay, so we will be waiting for the price to come back to this area of interest. Yeah, waiting for price to come back to this area of interest. We can take the sell trade from here to here, but no need of that. That is going out of every single thing, and I don't want to do this. 30-minute higher high, 30-minute higher low. Yeah, this looks solid, brother. This looks solid. Whenever we're under we sell, above we buy. So we're just waiting for price to come back to this area of interest to take the sell, to take the trip buy trade to the upside. Leong, Lavang. This looks solid to me. Do we have any notes over here? There was no notes. Need to type it over here again. Oh man. Oh yeah. Weekly is bullish. POWLISH. Daily time frame is bullish as well. Yeah, it's bullish. 4 hours time frame, that is 15-minute time frame, is also bullish. This looks solid. This really looks solid. So we got 30-minute 3 time frame in sync. We're looking for buy, waiting for area of interest, waiting for retracement to area of interest. Why the MAC is getting hot? It's getting hot now. The 15-minute higher high, 15th of minute higher low. Okay, so we waiting for this. All right, looks good. It's really looking good to me. Yeah, for the next session, which is from 1830 to 1930, looking good to me. NZD CAD. Oh, this is also solid, brother. Now this is what I was talking. I need some prices have been past data. Does this bullshit trade we took the GBP NZD, we were completely at the lowest point? Doesn't even make sense. Nah, this week out thing was going to get happen just because of we were selling at the lowest point in the move. AUD NZD, we just talk about that. NZD CAD looking so brilliantly beautiful. I was looking to take the trade right here, but I didn't took the trade. Oh my god, we got a single thing. So yeah. Alright, but does oh my god, this looks solid, brother. This is the area of interest on the 1 hour time frame. This does looks good, not enough at a 1930 to 2030. This looks good because now it just came. Now it have to create. You have to stop. It have to create a doji or stop candle. So it needs to fluctuate that much to actually make sense. So this 1 hour. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where are we in the move? Well, we are at the highest point, but we can come till here. We'll see. We'll see. 1 hour higher. Considering this as a weekly time frame, considering this as a daily time, this looks solid, brother. This does look solid. 30-minute IRI. Man, just because I was in job, I just don't able to have the access of the big screen. Miss the beautiful opportunities. 15-minute IRI, 15-minute the higher low. Oh. Higher low. Higher low. Oh. The mic is getting hard here. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't do this. 5-minute higher high. Every single thing in market happens for a reason. This looks solid. 5-minute higher low. So what are we waiting for over here? Waiting for the holy shit, this weekly time frame just started, right? Oh shit, it just started. We have 1 hour time. We can certainly look into for buying because we just started, right? Still bullish on this as well. Wait a minute. If we are looking like this, what will say? We'll not wait for 1 hour engulf on a candlestick. You know what? Just fuck off. NZUSD. Sideways. Not interested. So only one trade. How much trade we are looking into? Only one trade. EuroCAD. Well, we just avoided stop loss of what looks like that. So we were waiting for the price to come back to reject this, retrace this area of interest and the 5-minute time frame to create the bullish, go bullish. It never happens. Never took the trade. Well, when it does going to close under this, we can take the sell trade. Look into taking the sell trade. So from 1730 to I just don't like it. Now we have passed through that area of interest. Doesn't like it. Don't like it. So we will be doing the analysis of the market for 1830 to 1930 time session. So let's be ready for that. We'll come back at 1815 to do the analysis of the session of 1830 to 1930. Signing up, boys. This is that there will be no trades for this session from 17:30 to 19:30. This looks solid. If this candlestick close under these two candles, and if this going to be closed like an engulfing, we can take the counter trade from here to here. This looks solid. Guys, we'll be seeing a lot more actions pretty soon. Signing off. Peace. Alright, boys. It's a 1816. So let's do the analysis for the session, which is going to start at 18:30 to 18:30 to 19:30. So let's start with this again. GBP CAD. This is, well, if this closing like a doji, I need the 30-minute time frame to go bearish. My god, the phone is inside. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Slowing down later. Just a second. I'm back. My phone was inside the house, so it was just not loading. GBK, right? We were looking at this. Need a 30-minute to shift our structure. It never, not interested. Euro USD on the other hand looks good. Created a new lower low. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, looks literally looks good. So yeah, today morning we have avoided a loss right there. um. Okay. No, I'm not interested. This is the lowest point. It haven't created a lower high. No, no, no. Yeah, now this is looks good. Create a new low. Beautiful. Yeah, my god, this is literally, you guys are going to see the live trading pretty soon. Pretty. Looking to buy 30-minute to go bullish. Well, this is not the case. We are not even selling the lowest point. We are doing good over here. 1 hour time frame is currently bullish. Oh, the structure is bearish. Okay, I need daily time frame to be bearish at least. Don't say this. 30-minute. This is the higher high, and this is the higher low. Sorry, sir. I just can't take this trade. It's not that much valid. I just wanted to take the high probable setup. That is literally is it. We're creating the doji lower low in no. As it is JPY, no, sideways. GBP AUD, we're creating the doji. I need 30-minute to bullish. No bullish spray, no trade. Now it's getting out from the sideways zone. We're getting the break. We need to create the lower high. We just can't take the trade. Euro GBP. Well, we close down 30. No trade. Just wanted to take the high probability trade. That is literally is it what I'm actually looking into. No trade. Euro odd. Doji, creating that doji. I no trade. AUD JPY. Oh, looks good. If 30-minute is bearish, we can take the counter trend trade. No, there was no bearish, no trade. Oh wait, where are we in the move? It's not. Yeah, we're doing again mistake. Look at this. We just not look. No, brother, not at all. Should not look into this. This is the higher high, the higher low. Just looking to take this sell. Looking to sell. Can't buy. BUY at the top. Yeah. GJ. Okay. GJ. Just a second. Well, 1 hour is bullish. How about 30-minute is? 30 minute is bearish. Yeah, this will work. 1 hour time frame. We structure closed below. Okay, we close like this. Close below. Okay, 30-minute time frame. Well, it looks sideways to me. Below. No, it's, I don't know, it's if it taking my, yeah, it's side, yeah, it's having a long wick, so it's sideways now. No, this is like a whole absolutely big no. Look at this. Oh, that is only the reason I want to get, because it just like doesn't follow the things which you wanted to. Euro CAD. This trade looks solid. I know we have the algorithm for this. This is literally is it. We are pulling up with a beautiful trade. 15 minute now getting bullish. 5 minute time frame is still bearish. Well, this is 5 minute lower low. 5 minute lower high. Okay, beautiful. This looks beautiful. Let me just go again and let's do it top down properly. Where are we in the move? At the lowest point we can buy over here. We can't sell at the lowest point, but we can buy at the lowest point. We got the break. Doji, it is going to go to the upside. So now we are shifting again back to bullish on the 30-minute time frame. We were already bullish. We're shifting back to bullish on the 15-minute time frame. That's the higher high. That's the higher low. This is new higher high. This is new higher low. Bullish. Pretty good. On the 5 minute time frame, that means on the 1 hour time frame, the way we wanted to have the break, a clean retracement, and then clean engulfing to take the trade. If that is going to get happen, this is going to beautifully create. This is it. This literally is it. Look at this. It's happening in front of you guys. I'm just very much interested into this. So what I want is we got the retrace to area of interest. Now we want the 5 minute to go bullish, which is, I think so it's got. Okay, so 5 minute is about to get bullish. So now we just need to wait for retracement and engulfing. That is literally is it. 5 minute higher high, 5 minute the higher low. 5 minute got bullish. Now we just wait for break. Now we just wait for retracement and engulfing on 5 minute. This is it. Now we just have to wait for retracement and engulfing on the 5 minute time frame. How I bump up this to? So yeah, this is literally is it. Now we just wait for the retracement to the area of interest. Now well over, this is going to be our new area of interest. 1 hour time frame. It's going to be updated area of interest because we have already rejected that thing. Right or wrong? Absolutely right. This is going to be new higher high. It's going up with this. It's going to be this. And yeah, this literally is it. Like this is, I love this trade. Yeah. This is what I'm actually looking into. The main thing we need to, now we are buying, right? Where are we? Yeah, this looks solid. Whenever we are above, we buy, and this is exact same trade, man. This is exact same trade we are looking into, This is literally crazy. We will be above the EMA. This is it. This is literally is it. And I think so we should be considering the EMA because previously we considered the EMA and that EMA thing works. A lot good works. 5 minute time frame. Yeah, this EMA is the previous structure area of the 5 minute time. This is crazy. I love this. Is going to be number one trade. EuroCAD, you coming in my seat. But before I do, where are we buying? We are buying at the lowest point. Where are we? At the lowest point. We can buy at the lowest point, but we can't sell at the lowest point. Beautiful. Next is, are we bullish every single thing? 1 hour time frame is bullish. 30-minute time frame. Just want to check this. This is the lower high, lower low, bullish, bullish, bullish. Yeah, 30-minute is bullish. 15-minute is bullish as well. Like it. Aha. This is crazy. We're going to make money. If we're going to come to market to make money, brother, we're going to lose money. I'm coming to market to actually trade the market. I don't care to make money or lose money. Just don't care. EuroCAD. If this candlestick close above the EMA, then we're going to consider that EMA thing. If not, then we're just coming back. Next is GBP and ZD. This fucking shit. Just don't want to see this currency here. AUD looks good, but where are we? Where are we? We are on the top stop. I don't want to do any mistake again. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. We're waiting for price to come back to this area of interest. We came back. Looking good to me. No. No means no. USD CAD, we are at the toppest point, not interested. CHJPY looks good, but it's sideways zone. This is the higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, break. We got the 30-minute time from bearish. Well, it looks good. It looks good. It does looks good, you know. Now it doesn't look good. We're at the lowest point of the 1 hour time from now. No. AUD and ZD. This looks cool for buying, but we are still waiting for price to come back to this area of interest. Let's wait more. It haven't came. Oh, this looks good. NZD CAD, brother. NZD CAD. Now what I should say. Look at this. We got the retracement. We locked the engulfing candle. This is going to be our trade, dear brother. This right there is going to be our trade. But actually, this is not going to be our trade. No lagging, right? No lagging. Oh. Yeah, because this is lower high, this is lower low. I would never end up taking this trade. This is not our trade. No need to worry. Not interested. So currently, just a second, we just have only one currency for 1830. That is this. Okay, so it is not closing above, so we need to come back. So I look like alien, isn't it? When I yawn. I need to see how it's close. Okay. I don't want to lose her. I don't want to lose her. When the Mac is getting hotter, it shouldn't, man. Why? So now this candle has to close above this candle. This candle. Wait a minute, just a second. This is the highest point. This candle close above. Perfect. So we are officially 4 hours time frame. That is 15-minute time frame is bullish. I like it. So we have closed. Close like this. Let me just decide the area of interest as fast as possible. Quicker. Yeah, this is gonna be the area of interest. Done. The 15-minute time frame is gonna be this. We can technically keep this as an area of interest, but then that will be like that will no make sense for having a retracement. Uh, And as we can keep this as an area of interest, but um, can we keep this as an our area of interest? The question to ask, and the answer I'm getting, does that make sense? One, two, three. Let's go step by step. 1 hour time frame we got we create we ah, this will be not the area of interest when it is this candle haven't created. So this candle have already rejected the original area of interest. We need to go on a daily time frame to create to daily and 4 hours time frame to mark the area of interest. So this is a daily 4 hour daily area of interest. This is a 4 hours area of interest. This is the highest point. This is a previous structure area. This is one structure is also getting consumed over here. 1 hour time frame. Meow meow. It's not yet perfect. Perfect. The 1, 2, 3. This has to be happen. 50-minute time frame. Yeah, we do got this as well. Let me just remind that area of interest we have extended. We were having the 1 hour lower high. In this case, we don't have the 1 hour lower high right there. But this makes sense to me. Technically, yeah, man, this brightness is so much, man. Oh my god. I don't have to lose her. Let's finish 1 hour. 1 hour is already been done. 30-minute time frame. This structure. This structure. Um, prefer for the structured only. 15-minute time from the area of interest doesn't make sense, so I can bump this area of interest. We can bump this area of interest till here. 1, 2, yeah, perfecto. Okay, so 5 minute is right now creating that engulfing candle. Wait a minute. If this candle close about that red candle, we can take this trade officially. This is going to be our stop loss 7.4 plus 1 8.4. We have to calculate stop lot size calculator funded next. 53, 52, 51. Need also check the 1 minute time frame. Man, this looks solid, yeah. Oh my god, if this close, we need to do it fast. What is EuroCAD? Lot size, profit loss, EuroCAD. EURCAD. Oh my god, I forgot to turn on the my god, it's closing above. It's closing above. It's closing above. Found it. Find fast 0.5. Calculate. We need to risk $20. 25. 26. Oh no! And to calculate the lot size through here. 2, 1. Haven't closed. Now for next 10 minutes we can take the rest, because it has to create the red candle and then it is going to create the blue candle. 2 blue candles not engulfing for me. Yeah, we can certainly keep this machine on. Wait a minute, man. This is going to calculate the lot size. instantly rather than going back and forth and doing all of these things. Just need to add a stop loss right there, and that is literally is it. It's loading. Nickelodeon. Not a loser. Oh, is it loaded? Is it? Journal. Oh, this is a wine. Wine. Oh, we haven't logged in? Kaka. Hey. Cause Windows server, back, build, memory, news, experts. I just not understanding, have we logged in or not? Login. I really don't know. No, we haven't logged in. Let's try other. Wait. 1 minute time frame. Does this is moving? No, it's not moving. That means we haven't logged in. This one. No. I think I have to create a new account. I think I have to create a new account. Alright boys, I will create a new account. And we'll come back with pretty soon. Yeah, I fucking told you, huh? Fucking told you, huh? It was lagging. I told you. It needs to create a red candle, then it is going to create a blue candle to the upside. So before it do, I have to open this. Signing off boys, we'll come back. Hello there. So we are back on the terrace. Just to, Big Mom is going to come, so won't be able to analyze. So look at this. We have beautifully avoided a loss in this session. We were waiting for the break, right? We got the break. So now we were waiting for the retracement. We got the retracement, but we didn't. But then we were waiting for the engulfing candle. We didn't got the engulfing candle. Avoided a loss. So now we're going to do the analysis for the 1930 to 2030. 1930 to 2030. This is the last session of the today's trade. If we're going to close like this, I need 30 minutes to go bearish. 30 minutes not bearish. Not interested. Next is this. Not interested. It's too low. Well, this can work. Why this? 1 hour time frame is 1 hour time frame is actually bullish. So hold on. Let me just do it. Higher high. 1 hour is bullish. Technically, every single time frame of this is bullish. So we just can't take the sell trade. If you're going to take the sell trade right here, it will be issue. A damn issue. Okay. Higher low. Alright, so not interested. Okay, so this is next is CAD JPY. Not interested at all. It's NZD JPY. Looks good, but still not interested. It's not interested. If it is not coming, makes sense right away. Just not. Just literally not. Euro JPY, not interested. Now it looks good. Euro JPY looks good to me. It is looking good to me. It is looking good. Kind of. 5 minutes is bullish. We need 5 minutes to go bearish. We'll see. Okay, so overall lower low, lower high, overall is bearish. Structure in structure doesn't make sense now. Got bearish as well. We can delete this. So now we're creating the enclosure under that. It's a 19:25 a.m. That's why the alarm was like, I like the current market, brother. It was like this. So this is the lowest low. This is the lower high point of the move. Well, we are bearish as well in this. Looks good. 15 minute. This is the lower low. 15 minute. This is a lower high. We got the retracement. Just what we need now. I just need the 5 minute time frame to go bearish. That is all we need. If we got this, we will be able to take the trade. 5 minute to go bearish. So this is only is what we want right now. 5 minutes right now is this is the higher high, and this right there is the higher low. So what we need is it's pump up, create a new higher low, break, retest, engulfing, bam. This will be a beautiful trade. This happens. We'll be taking this trade for sure because it looks so beautiful. Like this looks brilliantly beautiful. It is also like matching when a new candle is going to get formed. It pretty much create the week to the upside. That week is going to be creating the higher high, new higher high on a 5 minute time frame. Looks solid. AUD CAD so on top. Absolutely not interested. Euro odd so on down. Absolutely not interested. AUD JPY. Well, we are approaching to the highest level of this current move, which is looking good to me, but we can't buy at the highest toughest point. GJ, we are under this area. We are now 1 hour is bearish. Yeah, this looks solid. We got the left and right shoulder. We're getting an engulfing candle of this. We already break and retest of this. This looks solid, brother. Why didn't I even consider this? Okay, so 1 hour is bullish. 30. Yeah, this looks solid, yeah. What the fuck I was doing? This is the 1 hour higher high. 1 hour higher low. Pretty fast. You need to do the fastest possible. 30 minute lower low, higher high, higher low, lower low. This is 30 minute is pretty much creating the 30 minute lower low, 30 minute lower high, 30 minute lower high. Currently this is the lower low, that is the lower high. We will be keep typing as we progress. The weekly is bearish, daily is, oh my god, there's so much mosquitoes. Have you saw that? Have you saw the lot? Like there is this much of more amount of mosquitoes just fly on from my hand right now. 15 minute, that is this is solid. This is really brilliant. Wait a minute. 15 minute got bearish, then got bullish, then again got bearish. This is the 15 minute lower low. This is the 15 minute lower high. Okay, so 15 minute is bearish as well, so we got 3 time frame in sync, and well as well we are bearish on the 5 minute time frame. This is really good. This is really looking good to me. 5 minute lower low, 5 minute lower high. Yeah, brother. I just don't want this candlestick close above. If this candlestick close above, then it will get bullish. Then we have to wait for full 5 minute to get bearish. So GJ, I like it. 5 minute engulfing. Let's talk about that. We wait for 5 minute engulfing candle. So we're looking for sell. This looks solid. GJ, GBP, JPY. Look at this Euro JPY. If we are going to sell Euro JPY to the downside, this should go up. Oh, there is a news, I think so. Yeah. Something is wrong over here. Some correlation is not working over here. That means somewhere on the line we are completely wrong. 1 hour is pretty much sideways, not interested. EuroCAD. Look at this. In the EuroCAD, we have beautifully avoided a loss right here, which in fact we can take the sell trade, update and modified. This candlestick close like this. I need this candlestick.
It's 19:30.
Under this time frame, which haven't closed. Yeah, I haven't closed. Not interested. Well, 15 minutes break, retest. It will bana retest and then no bana trade हो जाएगा फिर वो. So this is the bullshit trade. Not interested at all. AUD USD. I mean the trade was good, but the trader was bullshit because he executed the wrong trade, which we shouldn't be. AUD USD. So we create a new high on the highest high. Not interested at all. USD CAD on the other hand looks good. We need the Doji right there. 30 minute to bearish. No, so we need the 1 hour Doji. If not something. CHJPY 30 minute. This looks like this is going to create an engulfing kind of to the upside. We can take the trade on the next session, but we're just going to stop after 8:30 because that is where the volume just dies. Not looking good. Euro NZD not good. AUD NZD. This is exactly what we predicted. This is what I'm talking, brother. This is what I'm talking about. We're predicting, but we're not taking because it's just not coming to the area of interest the way we wanted to. Next is NZD CAD. Looks good. NZD CAD looks good. This is lower low. It doesn't look good at all. It was looking good, but it's not now. So NZD USD, which is coming out of the sideways zone, looks cool. Look at how much opportunities we're getting. It just looks good. Because if we're going to get a lot more opportunities, that means we will be able to get a lot more opportunities. That's just like to make money, to lose money, like so on and so forth. Euro GBP, we're waiting for the retracement. Well, we got the retracement 30 minute time frame, but I believe we will be able to have one more time retracement on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, yeah. So now that area of interest is already done, so we probably need to extend this area of interest until this kit covers on the 15 minute time frame, because you can choose like this 1 hour. I mean, no, this is not a valid area of interest. Well, this is the valid on the 30 minute, kind of valid. It's not valid on the 1 hour. It's not valid right there. This is kind of valid right there. 15 minute, 5 minute, break, retest. Yes, sir. Sir. This is a valid area of interest. This right there is a valid area of interest. We'll see, because we have already rejected this area, so we can consider these weeks and the structure of the 1 hour time frame. These weeks and this structure and this week on the daily time frame, and this all of the things, all the sideways thing, consider as the 4 hours time frame. This is the, we need 5 minutes to go break and then retest. So it looks solid, brother. It just looks solid. So I love this. When we got the break, then we'll wait for the retracement to take the trade to the downside. If this is probably going to get happen, we just need to figure out how in the world we're going to, because look at, whenever we're under, we sell, whenever we're under, sell, whenever we're above, we buy. So like this, I really like this trade. Personally believe it's just pretty much going. No. This is a fair value gap as well of the 1 hour time frame. Yes, sir. This looks good. I like this the way we have plotted the area, because the problem is if we just keep over here, it's just going to shift all over the place. Polish. Is it? Let's actually see right here. This is 1, 2, 3. This is this Polish break retest. Oof. Doop to do. That is sucking. So let's keep this as an area of interest only. Are we gonna do this really? 1, 2. Personally feeling like to do all of this, like structure to body structure will be great. I mean, we can take this a little bit down, but not that much. Yeah, now it does make sense. So because we considering this as well, we considering 1 hour low. Yeah, now it does make sense. Yeah, brother. Now it really makes sense a lot more than previously. Yes, sir. Like it. So we need to break first, gate bearish, and then retrace, and then taking the trade to the downside. Yeah, this is also the 1 hour, 1 minute EMA. Beautiful. Like this looks crazy. We're going to add the alarm right here. Alarm added. Added. What we are waiting for over here? It's GJ looks sideways to me right there. We got the break. We create the angle thing. Like what? It does looks good on the lower time frame. Really, it does looks good. Wait a minute. 1 hour time frame is bullish. Let me just type it over. 1 hour time frame is bullish. 30-minute time frame, crazily bearish. Okay, crazily bearish. All right, but this is gone. We just can't. Yeah. So Euro GBP is going to play up. I can literally 99% can guarantee that it's gonna work. Euro GBP is gonna work. I can say this pretty confidently, because now 4 hours is getting bullish. So we just have only one time frame in sync, that is a daily bearish. If this is this kind of thing, so that means going lower, going to a downside, which we are actually looking for, is very less probable than going upside, which is very high probable. Which is issue for us as well. Look at this Euro GBP. Okay, so if this is going to go up, then this is going to go down. This looks solid, so pretty much going to go down. We're pretty much going to go down. I like this trade. Euro GBP. This is a Euro GBP shortlisted. GBP JPY we excluded that trade. So Euro GBP is only the one which I'm pretty much currently looking into. That is literally okay, this is literally it. That was fun thing. Alright, brother, let's see. Oh yeah, also I want to show you the things which I have. Yeah, brother, thank you so much. I just remembered. Now we have to Euro GBP, add Euro GBP over here. Can you see Euro GBP? No, Euro GBP. Just a second. I just want Euro GBP over here. Hide all, please. Euro GBP, templates, Mac. So, oh, Kaka, position, काय झालं? So this is it, just a minute. Discount. काय झालं? So we're looking for shots. I just want to preset this all. Yeah, brother, it's coming. Oh, this video is on, right? Thank you. Waiting for the, no, we need to get first bearish. I want this price to close under this EMA, sorry, under this line, and then come back. Right now coming back is scam. Not going to go down if you just come back right now. Ask me now what you wanna do, huh? Just ask me, brother. Ask me, sister. Ask me. I don't know what I can call this chart. I'm just going to be interested once it breaks under or breaks above. Oh, if it's breaking above, I don't want to even see that, because if we are going transparently from one point to another, that means this box is not that much valid, so we should not looking to take the trade based on that trade. I think so next 30 minutes it's going to be closing like this, and next 30 minutes it's going to pump to a downside. Looks like the price action, it's creating out that line. Sundar, ati sundar, Euro GBP. I love the short trade. We're risking whole $20 right here. No, 100%. $20 one way commission 3.5. Exactly how it should be. Perfect. So now it's really instant. Yeah, just a second. I will also add the stop loss. If this is creating a lower high, and then it's going to create the lower low, and then it's going to create the lower high again, we still need the price to come back. I need this price to touch there, and then create a lower low, and then create the lower high, and then engulfing. So this will be a stop loss if it is going to be highest point of that lower high. 1.6, added 2.6 right here, 2.6. so this is going to be our stop loss for this particular trade. Stop loss is going to be this paste. So look at this is literally is going to calculate us our lot size, how much I should be taking the lot size right now. Look at this is literally, this is our stop loss price, this is the entry, but I'm just not gonna take the entry right here until and unless we got the break, we got the retracement, we got that engulfing. Without engulfing I just can't take the trade. That is a proof. Take it or leave it. That is what we can talk about. Alright boys, we'll come back whenever we want. Whenever this happens, if this happens under 18, so under 2030, then we'll take the trade. If this happens after 2030, I don't give a fuck. That is how it should be. Alright boys, let's come back.